Hello, my name is Adam Howe, and I will be going over Deliverable 3 with you. Visual communications. The colors for the lotus flower, I found them on the search for Google Images, and they are orange, yellow, blue, green, and red. I incorporated all these colors represent India, and it's also for an appealing photo as well. The size is medium to small. The logo is meant for more of an iconic rather than a bold. The symbolism is that of the lotus flower, which is also known to be the flower of India. The logo iconic meaning is that of peace. The American logo is red, white, and blue, with the bold background of black being for the bouquet of roses. The logo size is very large and it's very proud. The logo symbol is that of the American flag and that of roses, which are a national flower. The logo's iconic meaning is that of freedom. Target audiences. The Indian audiences, the lotus flower, recognized flower right away. It shows respect for the nation's flag, color, and has an iconic meaning behind the symbol as well. The American flag is the boldness of the flag and how big it is. It may seem rather unnecessary, um, since a large amount of the Indians' flags are also more iconic rather than large. American audience. The lotus flower may be looked at as small. They may not notice the symbolism that India may have had for the flag. This may critique the color scheme to this, but the colors represent the flag. They may overlook the symbol because they are used to bold American symbols. The American symbol is proud symbol to be Americans. When they see this, it gives the people pride and joy. It's a large and proud symbol, not only for the flag, but for the national flowers as well. That's why I incorporated the two together. It's a flag and the flowers. They're both gardens of peace, and the America is gardens of freedom. The visual elements. The visual elements are important. From the other logos on the internet, I took into account all the aspects of these and kind of put them all together to form these two logos. Visually, both of the logos represent each audience. The Indian clearly it's a lotus flower with their national flag colors, and same goes for the American logo. Without these elements, it may be confusing to the audience which logo is for what audience and render the marketing kind of useless. So I wanted these pictures to really stand out and pop at you. India will get the flower, and America will get the flag and the bouquet of roses. If you flip flop them to either nation, they may not understand entirely what the background meaning behind this is, but they're both meant to be recognized as a proud. Thank you.